Ready? Inhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Wow. Ano pong pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Kim po.
Kim. Ready? No, ako po si Coach Aster or Coach na lang para mas mabilis. Ano po yung pinaka nagpa-convince sa inyo? Bakit po kayo napapunta sa atin?
Kasi lagi ko po iniinda yung back. Tapos,
Lower.
Yeah, yung lower.
Ano
And
yung
then,
pinaka-worst na nangyari sa lower na pakiramdam?
Wala naman, nangangalay. Tapos,
Nalay? Madalas?
oo, lalo na pag after maglaba, after ng work.
After ng work. Saan pa? Bukod doon.
Yung ears ko parang may naririnig akong,
Tinig sound. Okay? That's what we call a tinnitus. Tinnitus is a disorder of our eardrum na nagkakaroon ng, tawag nito, ang nagiging cause nun is either may narinig kayong sobrang lakas na sound, okay? Tapos medyo malapit sa inyong tenga. At the same time, yung disorder na nagkakaroon ng mataas na pressure or blood pressure sa ating artery. Okay? Yung tinatawag na vertebral artery or medyo malaking ugat na nagpo-produce ng dugo dito sa ating brain. Okay? Once na merong ganon, which is nape-pressure at nakikita rin natin yung cause na ito kapag merong sinusitis palagi, allergic rhinitis, bahing ng bahing, ubo ng ubo. Okay? Meron ka bang ganon?
wala naman.
Wala naman. Very good. So at least ito yung may nangyari ba sa iyo dati? May narinig kang something else na sobrang lakas?
Wala
Or
naman, pero
tumapat ka sa speaker, ganun?
wala naman. Lagi lang kasi before, parang lagi yung
Naka-headset?
headset ko, malakas.
I
Talaga
see.
naka-maximize yung volume.
Uy, grabe. Sobrang lakas nun.
Opo.
Lalo ba pagka nagwo-work?
Apo.
Okay. Headset mo ba yung surround or
Close.
yung...
Close po.
Okay, yung close. Alright. Ano yung pinakamalakas na tining sound or yung sound na pinakamalakas mong narinig sa kanya?
Parang naging normal na lang sa akin. Pero itong recently lang, Wednesday, parang akong nabibingin na. Parang iba na.
I see. So that's the disorder. Nagpatingin ka na sa ENT?
Hindi pa. Pero
Hindi
this
pa.
next week.
Okay, para at least makita yung camera kung meron mang nagkakaroon ng inflammation inside or yung clogged ears na tinatawag. Okay, kaakibat nun, kapag merong pagkakabingi na, ay may clogged ears na tinatawag or inflammation na tinatawag doon sa pinaka-inside na nagbablock doon sa ating eardrum. Alright? Sige, ngayon, titignan natin. Posture up. Okay? Ano yung state ng pakiramdam mo ngayon sa ears mo? May konting tining sound?
Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Biglaan lang siyang nangyayari.
Lumalabas. Okay, sige. Ready? Turn to your left. Go. Okay? Turn to your right. Okay, kamusta ito? May any sikip, any ngalay?
Medyo lang, pero hindi naman sobrang sikip.
Sige, go. Tingala. Oy, very good. At least, nasa normal side ng range of motion. Kamusta yan?
Medyo lang. Medyo lang din.
Okay, sige. Yuko. Yan. Kamusta ito? At saka ito.
Meron mo dito.
More of here. Sa left side. Here.
Tapos dito.
At ito.
Sa
gitna.
middle.
Okay, wala sa lower.
Wala naman po.
Very good. Ngayon, check natin ang shoulders mo. All the way up. Dikit sa tenga. Good. Kamusta yan?
Wala naman po.
Very good. Maluwag naman. Magaan. Good. Up. Ilagpas. Try. Ilagpas. Good. O, kamusta ito?
Meron po dito.
Sa banda.
Left.
Here sa left.
Apo. Sa taas po.
Okay, ganito tayo. This one. Turn. O, yan. O, very good. Wow. Sige, kabila. Go. Ayan, very good. O, flexible naman, at least very good naman. Ang pinaka-focus natin is yung specific part na laging nangangalay. Tapos ito. Okay? Tapos yung iyong ears. Alright? Sige, stand up ka. Sige, go. Back bend. Okay. Oh, kamusta yan? Masikip.
Apo.
Hindi ka makapag-lean ng husto. Ano yung nangyayari?
Parang dito na siya.
Right here? Sa baba ba o sa taas?
Medyo sa baba
Sa
naman.
baba ng konti. May pain na kasama?
Sharp.
Sharp. Okay. Sa left ba or sa right? Or sa gitna?
Gitna.
Sa gitna. Harap ka sa akin. Okay? Forward bend. So, check natin manually your spine. Okay, up ng konti. So, we have here, this one. Okay? So, medyo nakaangat lang ng konti ito. At least, slight lang naman. Hindi po to nakakabahala. Alright? Sige, this one. We have here. O medyo nade-develop na ng konti ito. Here. This one. Okay, up ng konti. Relax. Okay. Na-diagnose ka ng mild scoliosis before?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Mhm.
Hindi pa nakikita.
Oh,
Okay?
hindi.
Ngayon, medyo nakikita natin ng konti. With this one, sa lumbar to thoracic. Lumbar 1 to thoracic 12, 11, and 10. Medyo nakalihis ng konti dito. Alright? Sige. Here. This one. So, ito, probably ito yung pinaka nagiging root cause bakit ka nagkakaroon ng pangangalay right there. Okay? Up ng konti. This one. So, ito. This one. Medyo nakaangat. Ito, ha? Right here. This one. There. O kaya medyo sumasakit ito. Okay? Sa gitna. Kaya, ito. Merong misalignment. Up. Last one. Okay. Good one. Here. Alright. O, very good naman ito. Okay? Up. Yeah. Sit down ka. Sige. At least minor injuries at minor cost lang naman ito. Alright? Oh, very good. At madali lang naman natin siyang i-correct. Okay? At tandaan mo kung saan yung mga sumasakit. Right here and this one. At saka yung tinnitus. Sa tuhod ba, wala kang nararamdaman?
Wala naman. Pero pag may time na parang ni-stretch ko to, may tumutunog siya banda dito.
Sa ankle?
Mm.
Okay. Sige. Ngayon ay dadapa ka na, ha? Okay, so first, taas natin ito. This one. Go up. Uy, very good. Nice. Kamusta yan? Magaan.
Nag-workout naman po kasi ako.
Very good. Kabila. Try natin. Very good. Nice. So, mag-focus tayo sa iyong inner hip. Let's see this one. Okay, very good naman. At hindi sobrang umaangat ito. Kabila. Tingnan natin. Here. Sige, down. Here. Oh, very good. At least, good one. O, stretch na lang natin ng konti to unlock this one. Okay? Here. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Alright. Ready? Lower. Good. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. And then here. Alright. Very clear naman. Okay? So next, magpo-focus na tayo sa inyong ribs, especially dito sa iyong right side. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good. Alright, good. Here, upper. Down. Ooh. Kabila. Here, upper. Down, down, down. Ooh. Last one. Go. Go, go, go. Nice one. Okay, this one. Here. Relax ito. This one. Ready, go. Push, push, down, down. Clear. Here. Go. Alright, very clear. Last one. Good one. Okay? Sige. So this one here. Right there. Okay. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good. Oh. Okay. Upper side. Right there. Ready? Hinga again. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good one. Wow. Sa batok na tayo. Okay. I will push. This one sa upper. Ito, misdirection lang. Ready? Inhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Wow. I will fold this one. Right there. Okay, mas lower tayo, ha? Inhale again. Exhale again. Good one. Wow. This one. And this one. Okay? Very good. Nice. So ngayon ay higa na, ihaya. Okay? Good one. Here. Oh, very clear to. Good. A little. Here. Clear. This one. Oh, very clear. Good. Particular. Good one. Here. Alright. Good. Here, sa cuboid. Good one. Relax ito.
Wow.
Nice. Okay. Here, sa ating heel. This one, turn. Okay, relax ito. Good one. Alright. Kabila. Good. Good one. Very clear. Good one. Upper. This one. Okay. Up, up, up. Oh, very clear to. Good. This one. Nice. How is it?
Good po.
This one. Here. Upper. Sideward. Dito tayo sa malakang, ha? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Have to turn this one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Okay, so very clear ito. Ngayon, we have to do a manual traction. Number 2.
Same.
Number 3.
Wala naman.
Number 4.
Meron.
Number 5.
Meron po.
And traps muscles.
Meron.
Acromion.
Wala naman.
Wala. Good. Here. Ready? 1.
Meron.
2.
Meron po.
3.
Yes po.
4. Meron?
Meron.
5.
Meron din po.
Traps muscles. Acromion.
Wala naman po.
Wala. Good. Up here. Okay. Good one. All right there. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Right there. Relax it. Good. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Oh, ito naman ay medyo loose na ng konti. But, hindi na natin kakailanganin yung... check ko ha, kung hindi natin kakailanganin. Pero, this is the other technique to release this one. Here. Sige. Relax, no? Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax yung shoulder. Good one. Okay? Wow. Woo! So, sobrang dami. Okay? O, naramdaman mo yan? Any pain?
Wala po.
Very good. Ang next natin ay sa muscle recovery na. Good one. Any pain?
Wala po.
Last one here. Very good. Last one. Very good. Good one. Ngayon, pipinch natin ulit lahat ng mga pinindot natin kanina. Alright? Sige. Here. Number 1. Nice. Number 2.
Wala na po.
Number 3.
Medyo meron pa.
Konti pa. Number 4.
Wala na po.
Number 5.
Meron po.
Good. Traps muscles.
Meron.
Okay. Upcoming.
Wala po.
Good. Okay lang. This one.
Wala po.
This one.
Medyo meron po.
This one.
Meron din.
Here.
Wala po.
And here.
Wala rin.
Here.
Meron po.
And here.
Meron din konti.
Okay. Sige. So ngayon, magpo-focus na tayo sa muscles. Okay. Good. Okay. At least hindi magaspang yung good. Ready. Go up. Sige. Taas ang kamay. Go, go, go. Up, up, up. Dahan-dahan. Ibaba. Go. Good one. Close your fist. Okay? Matigas na shoulder at matigas na kamay. Ready? Go up. Matigas yung shoulders. Good, good, good. Sige. Dahan-dahan ibaba. Very nice. Good. Ngayon, relax na yung kamay. How's this? Go up. Up. Hindi. Relax na. Go up. Nice. Downsideward. Kamusta siya ngayon?
Mas okay na po.
Ready? Okay. Go up. Sige. Downsideward. Ready? Go again. Up. Sige. Downsideward. Good. Masarap yan, hindi?
Hindi.
Okay. Sige. Relax. Okay. Here. Good. Alright. Okay. Ngayon, push natin ulit. Ready? Go. How's this? One.
Okay na po.
Number 2.
Mm-mm.
Number 3.
Yan po, okay na rin.
Number 4.
Wala na rin naman.
Number 5.
Wala din.
Okay. Kabila. Number 1.
Wala na po.
Number 2.
Wala din.
Number 3.
Wala na.
Number 4.
Wala na din.
And 5.
Wala na rin.
Good. See the difference?
Mas okay na.
Mas okay na siya ngayon kaysa kanina. Ngayon, dito tayo sa rotator cuff at sa ears mo na. Alright? Sit down. Ngayon, hawak sa bewang. That's one. Okay? I will push you. That's one. Hawak. Squeeze mo lang ito. Matigas ito. Pigilan mo ako. Ready? Go. Pigil. Pigil pa. Lakas pa. Good. Ah, very firm ha. Good. Go. Push. Oh, nice. Sige, last is this. Sa ating acromioclavicular joint and with your ears. Ready? Turn in. Sige, loose this one. Yep, go. Stretch. Yung. Masakit ba? Hindi. Here, last one. Good one. Okay? Kabila. Good. Ready? Go. Push. Ooh. Masakit? Good. Upper. Last one. Good. Oh, kamusta yun? Malakas yun, ah. Sige. Relax. Any pain? Wala naman? Good. Ngayon, sa ears na tayo. Relax ito, ha? Snap. Good one. Ooh. Lakas, ah. Right there. Okay? Relax. So, ASMR. ASMR. Good. Relax. Snap. Uy, wait lang, ha? We have here. Lower natin. Lower side. Nice. Okay. Upper side. Let's see. Mas specific tayo. Nice. Okay. Sige. Now, we have this one. Here. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good.
Okay.
Kamusta ka?
Okay lang. Parang relief yung parang magaan.
Magaan. Okay? Sige. Ngayon, tignan natin ulit. Posture up. Yan. Okay? Turn to your left. Turn to your right. How is it now?
Wala naman.
Mas loose na? Good. Tingala. Kanina, okay naman yan. Very good. Sige, down. Ulit. Go. I'll push you. Is this? How is this?
Okay naman na po.
Good. Kanina, pagka pinush kita, tapos
Dito.
merong connection dito.
Meron.
Okay? Kamusta ngayon?
Wala po.
Very good. Shoulders. Okay? This one. Tignan natin kung mas magaan pa. Uy, how is it?
Okay naman po.
Good. Down. Walang ka-effort.
Wala.
Mas magaan. Good. Ngayon, this one. Here. Twist. Yan. Kabila. Oh, very good. Oh, very normal. Okay? Ngayon, check na natin ito yung ganito. Oh, ready ha? Kanina medyo pigil. Tama? Sige, tigan natin ha. Ready? Go. Bend. Uy. Kamusta?
Sex bomb lang.
Kamusta yung difference?
Okay na po. Wala
Mas
naman.
nakapag-lean ka ng gusto. Okay? May blocking pa ba? May masikip na nararamdaman?
Wala naman.
May pain?
Wala po.
Wala. Very good. Nice one. pwedeng-pwede ka nang move ng maayos at yung
Hindi na ako
mga
natakot.
yung mga exercises mo, 'di ba? Sabi mo lagi ka naman nagwo-workout, magiging madali yung mga execution ng ibang mga workouts mo dahil mas mobile and loose na yung movement mo. Okay? Saka yung mga muscles mo when you have nag-yoga ka din.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Okay. Mas the best kung magpili ka ng ibang mga yoga poses as your warm-up stretching and then your cool-down stretching after ng mga exercise mo. Okay?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Kamusta?
Ang sarap.
Ngayon, thank you so much again. Picture tayo?
Thank you po.